Hello, my name is George Macias. I'm a service technician for Donastar Enterprises. On this video, I'll be showing you how to complete the plumbing for the Chipotle beverage systems. Before starting your plumbing, make sure you go to the bottom and you shut off the cold side valve. Double check up here. Make sure you let out any pressure. Leave it on while you plumb it. Leave that on. These will be the parts you'll be needing. You'll be needing a tube cutter. Really like this one. This one's model C34 by Rigid because it gives you both sizes, the 3/4 and the 1/2 inch, and it's more compact to fit in the tight spots. So this is probably the one you want to get. You need a also known as the shark bite valve, but these are Tektite. Needs to be quick connect on one side, female thread on the other side. This is where we'll be putting our barb adapter or whatever fitting you need to connect to your filter in the future. You also need a stick of 1/2 inch copper. You need a stick of 3/4 inch copper. You'll need a hammer, the channel locks. You'll also be needing the shark bite, the elongated T. This is the one we got on this one. There's also a regular shark bite T with a 1/2 inch on the other end that some people get. If you get like this one where it's 3/4 on each side, you have to also add on a reducer so you can still adapt your 1/2 inch valve to it. Once again, these are made by Tektite. Need a measuring tape. Don't forget your safety gear. Okay, so once you have all your parts ready, you have to choose a location at the bottom of the prep sink on the cold side. For the elongated T's, you need 4.5 inch clearance. For the regular size T's, you need 3.5 inch clearance. You can even tell just by putting up against, it's just too tight, so we couldn't even put it there. So we're gonna go ahead and choose this back spot back here. So I chose that back spot to make my first cut. The shorter side goes to the shorter side, the longer side goes to the longer side. If you got enough wiggle room like I do here, you don't gotta loosen this union. If you need to loosen the union, it's also really easy to put it on. okay to bend your pipe a little. Don't use too much force. I'm gonna use this little tool they provided with the T. They sell this separate too if they don't have it with your part. Or you can use a pair of channel locks. I use both. Put the pair of channel locks there. Right on top, just lay right on top of that C, which is gonna help you hit it. Once you get it down enough, you could also hit it slightly with the edge of the hammer. Once you get a sense that it went in. I like to use the same piece I cut off to use the union. Why not? And then you just want to cut off just enough to where your valve shows. Your valve can stick out on either side of the bottom of the prep sink or straight down the bottom. It just has to be reachable for the workers in case of a leak or an emergency. They need to shut it off. They're able to see it. Nobody's really gonna dig in there. In an emergency, they need to access it quick. All right, I'm just gonna measure. I mean, 3 inches is fair. This is very convenient because it allows you to turn your valve any way where it's not gonna get blocked by anything. This is a cool thing about these parts. So once you turn this on, you check for leaks. Right here we got a good one, there's no leaks. You also want to run the top cold water a little bit, let the air out. They want us to check the victory wash. Although the victory wash on this one just got its own valve that we didn't touch, some of them are attached to the plumbing at the bottom. So just check it. You just turn it on, you twist, and it locks. And you take a picture showing that it's working. And you turn it right back off. And that is it for our how-to video to install our shutoff valve for our speed filler. For more how-to videos, please visit us at Donastar.com.